Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna introduce you to a roadbook holder. This is the device you need if you want to take part in any rally event or any roadbook event, and this in particular is the MigTec Roadbook Holder, the one I used in my last two Dakar rallies, and probably I'm gonna use also for Dakar 2021. Here we have the roadbook and all the parts that come in the box. Together with the roadbook holder we have a handlebar bracket that can be placed, and later I'll show you how to assemble all that is here in the box. We've got a little bag with vibration dampers and spacers and bolts. Another bag with other bolts to fix this bracket to our handlebar. And these 4 aluminium blocks that will let us place the roadbook on any 12mm bar. Last but not least, we have the power cable. We'll have to connect this to the battery or to a power source, and a switch, a thumb switch, in order to have the roadbook move forward or backwards. Together with this thumb switch, you have a small aluminium bracket that will help us place it on the bike. The connection on the roadbook are already made. Here we have the connector that will plug in the switch, and this other connector will let us connect the power cable. We've got then one connector that doesn't plug into anything, but this is the power source in order to use the LED light that is placed inside the roadbook. Let's quickly look at the main features of the MigTec Roadbook Holder. It has an aluminum case powder coated in black, an external 12-volt motor that will make the roadbook move forward and backward. This motor is external and can be replaced in case you damage it or you crash, and you can buy separately just the motor. We've got a screen that just is placed by pressure on the roadbook and we can easily remove. The inside of the screen has a sealing. This is so that we can use the roadbook in any weather condition without compromising the roadbook or getting it wet. So even if it's pouring rain, we'll be able to use it. Inside we have a mechanism that moves the roadbook holder back and forwards thanks to these O-rings and these bars. In case we break the motor or we break the power cable while we are racing, we can still use the roadbook holder, as on the sides we have these 2 knobs, so we'll be able to move the roadbook backwards and forwards with our hand. It won't be the best option, but it will get us home. Just like when we get a new smartphone, let's enjoy the moment.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'll quickly show you how to assemble the kit to install on your bike. First thing first, we get the aluminium bracket, these dampening rubbers, and we place them inside these big holes. We then get the spacers and we place them on the back part of the bracket inside the dampening rubbers. Next step, we get these long bolts with this square base and we place them here inside the squares of the bracket. Then we get 2 aluminium blocks and place them where the bolts go. Now we move on to the handlebar. In order to use the included handlebar bracket, your handlebar will need to have this bar on top so that we can get this bracket assembly, place it on top and start putting on the bolts. Once we place the bracket on the handlebar, we get the other 2 blocks and place them underneath. Then we get the washers and the nuts. Once we place the lower aluminium block and we keep it with one hand, we take the washer and the nut, place them on the bolt. We then take a 8mm socket and start tightening. Before tightening the 4 nuts, we want to just place in position the roadbook, see at what angle we want it, adjust the bracket and then tighten it. Once we've done that, we are ready to install our roadbook. To install the roadbook, we take the bolt and washer and place them on the roadbook. We take a 2.5mm Allen key, the bolts and washers, and place them in the 4 holes. We now take the nuts, we place them on the back of the bolts, and we'll need a 7mm socket in order to tighten while we keep the Allen key firm. Now that our roadbook is in position and nice and firm, we are ready to put back on the screen, press it and now it's sealed. Place the thumb switch, we'll have to find a position, make a nice routing for the wire, then plug in the power wire and we are ready to go. Now you have a clear view of what is included with the MigTec Roadbook Holder and how to assemble it on your bike. Hope you enjoyed the video and that this video will act also as an video instruction manual for you for when you will receive the MigTec Roadbook Holder. If you are interested in this roadbook, you can go here at rebelxsports.com and you'll be able to order your roadbook and have it delivered immediately worldwide. Thanks for sticking around even this time. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!